Hi! In this video, I will tell you how to build SEO-friendly landing page that some people not aware with it. If this video gave you value, don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up and also click the subscribe button and notification on so that you never miss our new videos. In building a website, you shouldn't forget about building a clear and beautiful landing page. Landing page itself are web pages designed to convert traffic into leads. They can be about features, products, use cases, lead magnets, or promotion. They have different layouts but drive the same outcome, leads. A great landing page have 4 common characteristics. Let me explain one by one. Okay, the first one is design. It says that every landing page design takes a user on a journey toward the desired CTA or call to action. In designing a landing page, there are some things that you have to consider, such as titles, fonts, image, and many more. While choosing an image, don't ever forget to optimize it. It may be more difficult for Google and the rest of the search engines to process, understand, and categorize the visual elements on a landing page. So, you have to simplify the process greatly by optimizing a few details attached to your visuals, since optimizing image can help SEO considerably. Okay, the second one is sales copy. In sales copy, there is no need for direct response marketing techniques if you find that too cheesy. However, the copy on a landing page educates the user on the problem, the solution, and why your business is uniquely equipped to solve it. Ultimately, the copy drives the user towards the CTA. Okay, the third one is CTA button or call to action. We finally reached until here, CTA button. After drives the user towards the CTA from the design and soft copy, CTA button will help your users or audience on what things that they have to do next. I said it in my video before this that CTA button really can help you to boost your site SEO. So it also have to be carefully applied on your landing page. For the CTA button, I will never stop to recommend you guys or plugins called floating some button. It is a customizable notification button that can help you do various things like adding call to action, scroll to top, and display custom pop-up. I will put the link on the description, so make sure to check it out. Okay, the last one is form. Since landing pages are meant to drive lead generation, most will include one or more forms for visitors to fill out. The company behind the page gets a lead personal information, and the page visitor typically receive a digital asset of some kind in exchange, like an ebook, a swift text entry, or access to a special deal. However, landing page visitors tend to be impatient and no one actually likes filling out forms. Resist the urge to harvest as much information as possible from your leads and keep the number of fields on your form to a minimum instead. 4 or 5 is a good maximum to shoot for. The form is an opportunity to sign up, download, or book a call. The form filters a visitor into a lead. Okay, so that's all from me. To summarize today's content, a great landing page have a common 4 characteristics that are design, sales copy, CTA, and form. These 4 characteristics will help you boost your site SEO and also grow your site. If you have any question, feel free to ask me on the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye!